Hi, I'm Tanya, and I have a confession to make. Dun dun dun! Oh, oh. But first, before we get to that part, thank you for joining me today on my extra special video about a trip we're going to take together. A trip to good, fresh air. It'll be lovely, and I hope you find it as peaceful as I will. We're going to go to the beach together. We're going to have a picnic. We'll go for a little walk. We'll enjoy the beautiful water run. And we're going to have a romantic walk on an excellent harbor beach across the bridge. And at the very end, we're going to unpack some goodies that I will be buying at my favorite Amish market. Good stuff. I love living in Maine, and I love that I get to share it with you today. Especially because this is a very special video for me, which brings me back to my confession to you. So I have been putting off publishing this video, the whole rest of the video that you'll be watching, since last month. It's almost a month old now, because it turns out this is actually super personal, and I was having a rough time finding a way to get it out there. After 6 years of chronic illness, it has become quite difficult to talk about a bad day and what that looks like and how that affects me and those around me. Or a string of bad days, or weeks, or months, or more. For 1,000 different reasons, this is difficult to share because no one wants to hear you so sick. People want you to get better. And while that might be in my future, and yours, it can be a slow progress. And additionally, I don't want to complain so much, so I hide. I know there's many of us that hide, and it can make you feel very lonely. So this is why I'm here. This is why I'm happy you're watching this video with me, because maybe I can help somebody understand. Ask away. Comment below if you like, or find me on Facebook. There's a link on my page, and we can chat on Messenger. Or maybe you and I both just need to know that we're not alone in this, not even close. There are many of us out there, no matter what this mess looks like for us, this messy adventure. And you know, it's okay. It is okay that some days are hard, so hard, and even too much. But it's so important to also know that you can change your view and circumstance, and no matter how tiny the change, it is always significant. However, in this video, on that day, I made a big change, the obvious change, the most simple change. I changed my view by changing my location. I've absolutely found that if you change your surroundings, you change your thoughts. And your thoughts, my thoughts, our thoughts, while they are by no means a cure-all, they can absolutely hurt you or heal you. So, bring your story, and let's have some healing thoughts together, okay? Hugs for you. Bring a hat. It'll be cold. Let's go. I'm so happy we're running away together. Feeling better already. When bad health days are plentiful, it's important to have a backup plan. One of my major ones when I've just had enough and I can't take it anymore is to run away to a couple of places I have pre-planned, no thinking. I just go. It clears my mind, helps my body heal. And here we are. You can already see this beautiful frozen pond on the right-hand side. Let's have a closer look. Now it's time to make a quick stop at the Amish store. I will show you the goodies at the end of this video. And next, we're heading to the ocean. Look at this beautiful view where I'm about to enjoy a little picnic. I'm about to have a fantastic trip in this awesome place. Yum. I'll be back. I was going to stick my feet into the water, but tide's pretty low and it's kind of rocky. I think I'm going to use that as an excuse not to. And have a look-see over here. It's freezing going on inland. Of course it is. It's March. In Maine, it's cold. It's awesome. There's beautiful ducks. Look at them go. They're so pretty. They don't like me. Birds poop in my head. It's happened many times. I don't know why. That's it. We're staying far away. Enjoy the view. Time for an after lunch walk. Come with me. pretty and gross. Not a huge fan of all the seaweed. But looky, look how clear the water is otherwise. Not shabby, huh? "5 minutes apiece sound good? Listen to the water and the birds. Let's do it." Thanks for sitting here with me. Time for the next stop. Let's go to Belfast for a walk. And on we go. My head bubble makes me happy, so happy. Ooh. Well, that was chilly and pretty, and I feel better. Hello, hello. I'm back home, feeling pretty refreshed. Missed this little guy, but can you tell he hates being on camera, and he knows there's sugar in here that he doesn't get to have? Oh man. All right, get out of here, buddy. Hi, friend. Hi, buddy. Hello, friends. So, before I check out of here, I wanted to share the goodies with you that I brought home from one of my favorite places, the Amish market. Good stuff. Want to see? Come have a look. I've got coffee. I'm excited about this coffee because for some reason I can eat it. My coffee. Good stuff. And magical, unflavored, unfragranced, anything gelatin. I can make treats and gummy bears, and it's so good. The dog even likes it. Well, he likes most of the food. Next up, this is not for me, I should mention. These are gluten-y, sugary, amazing Amish donuts. Oh man, have a look. Have a look. I wish you could smell this. I can smell it all I want. I can't eat it. It would end my life as I know it. I'll watch Daniel eat it. It makes him uncomfortable. It makes me happy. Anyhow, here's my stuff. I've got 3 dozen local, awesome brown eggs. Super cool. They'll get me through the week. And that as they say, is all she wrote. Thank you so very much for keeping me company today. I hope you enjoyed the scenery and the little treats. I wish you health and happiness. And I will see you soon. Tschüss, tschüss.